So let us start writing the code to create a text-to-speech application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this I am creating first the HTML page. So let us create an h1 element that is used to display the heading of the application. Then there is a text area which allows the user to enter the text which they want to convert to speech. Then there is a select element with the with the ID voice select, where the user can choose between different voices for the speech synthesis. And there is a button with the ID speak button which triggers the conversion of text to speech. So this is the things which we are going to create inside the HTML page. Now let us do the styling for formatting and visual enhancements of the element. So the body has a background color, margin, padding and text alignment. The h1 element has a color set which we are defining here. Then the text area we are styling with width, height, padding, font size, border radius, and the resize property is set to none. It is to prevent the resizing. So these are the styling which we are doing for the text area element. The button has stylings for padding, font size, background size, color, border radius and an over effect. The select element has styling for padding, font size, border radius and a background color. Now let us do the JavaScript part of it. So the code checks if the web speech API is available in the browser using a speech synthesize object. So if it is supported by the browser, then it provides with getting the references to the necessary HTML elements using their ID. The load voices function is defined to load and populate the available voices into the select dropdown. It is called when the speech synthesize dot or voice changed event is triggered which occurs when the voices are ready. The click event listener is added to the speak button, which when clicked creates a new speech synthesized utterance object. The text to be spoken is retrieved from the text area's value and assigned to the utterance.text property. The voice selected is retrieved from the voice selection dropdown using the voice select.value. The available voices are obtained using speech synthesize.getVoices method, and the selected voice is found from the list. The selected voice object is assigned to the utterance.voice property. Finally, the speech synthesis.speak method is called to initiate the speech synthesis.